Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you for tuning in to a brand new video. Not for a brand new video, but thank you for tuning in. Today we have two of these 215 million cash explosion $20 tickets. Haven't played $20 tickets in a while, so we're gonna play these guys today. Tickets 18 and 19, I think I just said that. Match and win, money bags $100 instantly. 20x is 20 times. Odds are 1 in 3.10. And let's get to it. Hopefully you guys are, oops. There we go. Hopefully you guys are having the best day ever. Let's go symbol hunting. Today we're going to use my lucky coin from the Georgia Lottery, sent in by our boy Chris. And let's do it. Let's see if we can find us a winner. 45, 13, 49, 33, a 6-piece. 1022. Make sure it's square. There we go. 43, 16. Blackjack. Come on, 20x. It's been a while. It's been a while. 36. We had 36s, didn't we? Oh, it's 46. Two 27 and a 19. All right. See, for some reason this looks crooked. I don't know why. All right, 50. Definitely not. 30. Definitely not. 34. We have 35, 33, 36, 39, 38, 37. Nope. And 8. We have a 6, 1, 4, 2. Nope. 7. A 3. Do we have a 3? No. Nope. And 26. 36, 25, and nope. Okay, let's move on to ticket number 19. Let's hope this one can do it for us. Sometimes these big tickets can be scary to play. Looking for 18, 44, 12, 46, 49, 2, and 30. See if on. It's going to be right here. Nope, I guess not. All right, 34. Nope. A 5-piece. Nope. 3. Nope, 33. Oh, there she is. That's a beauty. That is a beauty. A 20x. Hopefully it doesn't mean a kick in the shorts, but we'll take it. Let's see what else we can get. We can get some more winners. It's got to be at least a $4 million winner. So 30, 14, 35, 29, a 6-pack, 41, 39, we got 49, 7, 24, 1, 49. There we go. So this should be at least a $25 winner if you can win 25. 22, 27, we got 37. Lucky 32. 50. 19, one more match. 15. All right, so can we win 25? We can't, so it's at least a $30 winner. I'm going to say it's $1 million. Let's hope there's 100 under 49 and a 5 under 20. Either way, we only lost. There's a 0 there. Only lost $10. Yep. We got AZ there, and this is going to be 20 or 10. Oh, it's a 20. Nice, we broke even. Well, I guess that's way better than a kick in the shorts. We broke even for the session. I will take that. So if you guys did enjoy, please leave a like rating down below, and we will catch y'all on the next one. Goodbye.